Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery on your Sony XDR-P1DBP DAB Plus radio. Let's get started. Begin by removing the antenna using a Phillips head 00 screwdriver. Loosen the 4 screws on the back cover. And 3 screws on the bottom. Use a prying tool to loosen the back cover carefully. Be cautious not to break the attached cable. Disconnect the battery and antenna cables. Take out the old battery and replace it with the Sino XDR-P1DBP battery. Apply double-sided adhesive to the back of the new battery. And stick it to the back cover. Reconnect the battery and antenna cables. Put the cover back on. And secure all screws. Reattach the antenna. That wraps up our tutorial. Thank you for watching.